Today, we're exploring the journey of Gabriela Rico Jimenez, the Mexican woman who became an international viral sensation in 2009 after a dramatic public breakdown outside a luxury hotel in Monterrey. Her frantic claims involving international conspiracies and high-profile figures turned her into a central figure in truth-seeker circles, leading to years of speculation about her well-being and her whereabouts. So, where is Gabriela Rico Jimenez now? Let's find out. Following her viral outburst, where she famously screamed about being held captive and made startling allegations against prominent business and political leaders, Jimenez was detained by local police. Unlike the typical path of a viral star, her story took a somber turn into the mental health system. She was eventually admitted to a psychiatric facility in Buenos Aires, Argentina, for evaluation and treatment. For over a decade, the humanitarian and conspiracy communities on platforms like Reddit and YouTube kept her story alive, often debating whether she was a victim of a cover-up or a person in need of serious medical help. As of now, new information regarding her current life has surfaced through independent journalists and local advocacy groups in Mexico. After spending several years away from the public eye and receiving consistent medical care, Jimenez has reportedly transitioned back into a more stable, private life. While she has never returned to social media to explain the events of 2009, those close to her story indicate she has sought to distance herself from the viral meme status that once defined her. Where is Gabriela Rico Jimenez now? As of now, Gabriela Rico Jimenez is believed to be residing in Mexico, living a quiet life under the radar. She has successfully avoided the spotlight for over 15 years, and there are no official records of her being currently institutionalized. While she remains a legendary figure in internet mystery forums, she has not made any public statements or appearances since her initial release from psychiatric care. Professionally, Jimenez has no public career and has not sought to monetize her past notoriety. Her family has consistently requested privacy, emphasizing that she is a private citizen who deserves to live without the constant scrutiny of the digital world. In early 2026, her case continues to be cited by mental health advocates as a significant example of how viral culture can impact individuals experiencing a mental health crisis, emphasizing the need for compassion over conspiracy. Gabriela Rico Jimenez has transformed from a frantic woman on a street corner into a silent survivor of a digital era. While her words continue to spark debate in the darkest corners of the web, she continues to prioritize her anonymity and her recovery, proving that the best way to move on from a viral past is to live a quiet, grounded present. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite internet mysteries and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.